In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use the X app on your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar and type X. Select the official X app from the search results, then tap Install or Get. Once the installation is complete, open the X app. Now create a new account if you're new to X using your Google account, Apple ID, email address, or phone number. If you already have an account, simply sign in. Enter your email address or phone number, then tap the continue button. Now you'll receive a verification code by email or SMS. Enter the code to verify your email address or phone number. After verification, select your date of birth and tap continue. Next, enter your name and tap continue again. Now, choose a username, then tap continue. Create a strong password, tap continue, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. Once you're signed in, you'll see the home feed where you can browse posts from people you follow. Use the search tab to find people, topics, or hashtags that interest you. To create your first post, tap the plus button, type your message, and add photos, videos, GIFs, or polls if you'd like. Then, tap post to share it with your followers. You can also like posts, reply to conversations, repost content, send direct messages, and follow other users to personalize your feed. And that's it.